Tech in 5.
Python in practice, master real-world projects in 5 minutes. Discover how to connect to OpenAI in just 5 minutes. Ready to unlock the power of AI? In this video, we're unlocking the potential of AI by connecting to OpenAI's API using Python. Let's dive right in. First, navigate to the OpenAI API dashboard. Here, you'll find the Create New Secret Key button. Click it, and your new key will be generated. Remember, this key is your access to OpenAI's API, so keep it private and secure. OpenAI offers a suite of powerful AI models, including the well-known GPT series. These models are designed to understand and generate human-like text, making them perfect for a wide range of applications, from writing assistants to chatbots. Today, we're focusing on GPT-4, the most advanced version, representing the latest evolution in AI capabilities. Additionally, we could also use GPT-3.5 Turbo, known for its balance of performance and efficiency. For the feature we're developing, specifically the use of the V1 chat completions endpoint, it's supported by both GPT-4 and GPT-3.5. Now, let's break down the Python script piece by piece, focusing on the OpenAI service class, which serves as our bridge to OpenAI's GPT models. First, we import the necessary libraries. The OS library helps us retrieve environment variables, while the OpenAI library imports the OpenAI library, allowing us to interact with the API easily. Upon initialization, init method sets up our connection to OpenAI, using the API key stored in our environment variables. This is a secure way to handle sensitive information, like API keys. We specify the model we're going to use. In this script, model is set to GPT-4 Turbo Preview, which is the latest models, capable of understanding and generating text based on the input provided. Now, let's explore the simple _completion method. This method simply takes a list of messages as input. It then calls the OpenAI client to create a chat completion, passing the messages and the model we've chosen. This asks the AI to generate a completion based on the input provided. To test our code, we have the simple completion test method created. In this method, we create a list with a single message from a user saying, "Say this is a test." This message is then passed to OpenAI API through our simple completion method, and we print out the AI's response. With the testing is successful, let's dive deep into how we use OpenAI's API for chat completions. At its core, a completion request to ChatGPT is about asking the AI to continue a chat based on our input. We structure this input in a format that the AI can understand and respond to effectively. Within our request, the key component is the messages list. Each item in this list represents a single message in the chat, and these messages guide the AI in generating its response. Every message has two essential pieces: role and content. System is used for messages that set the context or provide instructions to the AI. Assistant is the role assumed by the AI's responses in the chat history, guiding how it formulates its replies. User represents messages from the human user, essentially the input queries or statements. Content is the text of the message itself, whether it's a question, a statement, or a command from the user, or context-setting information from the system. When we send our request, what we receive in return is a structured response that includes several fields. However, the most relevant parts for us are within the Choices field, specifically the text inside each choice. The Choices field contains a list of possible completions the AI has generated. Typically, for chat completions, we focus on the first choice. Within each choice, the message field holds the AI's generated response to our input. This is what we use as the AI's reply in our applications or services. With chat completions, we've laid the groundwork for integrating AI into your applications. The potential for creating dynamic, intelligent conversations is now in your hands. Stay tuned for more videos on harnessing the power of AI in your projects.
Stay tuned for more videos on Tech in 5.